Hey KK Squad, it's your girl Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So as you can see by the title, I'm gonna be doing a natural hair starter kit video. I get a lot of questions on my social media platform, especially Instagram, about natural hair, the staple things that you need to start. Like you just started growing your natural hair, or you are transitioning from relaxed, heat damage, color damage hair to healthy natural hair. So I'm gonna let you guys know what to start out with and also show you guys like examples of products that I have, just so you can get an idea of what I am explaining to you guys. Okay, so the first thing you need to have is a wide tooth comb. This is very important to have. You don't want to have combs that are pulling out your hair, causing breakage or split ends. Those are the tiny combs. It might seem like they are detangling your hair, but they are doing more damage than actually helping your hair. But this, major key. Next, you're gonna need a brush. I have this brush for years now. Oh my goodness. These are the items you can get from your local beauty supply store, because that's where I got them. As you can see in videos styling my hair, I use this brush to like help me lay and slay those frizz that keeps popping up. So it's important to have a brush. Next, Denman brush. I only use this brush when I'm doing a wash and go. A lot of naturals use this to detangle their curls. It helps to make their curls pop. It does help to make my curls pop, so that's why I use it when I am doing my wash and go. Love this brush. It doesn't have to be Denman. You have different brands in this same brush. So yeah, a regular brush, Denman brush. So this next item I'm about to show you guys is very important. Well, important to me, because a lot of people don't really do the edge thing, but I have to have this. You could use a toothbrush, a regular toothbrush, just for your edges. Only for your edges. Don't use the same toothbrush that you use to brush your teeth, or just get this one that's made for your edges for $1. Get you one, sis. Okay, so the next thing you need is a scissors. It's very important to have a scissors for those split ends and for those single strand knots. You want to get rid of those, because if you are scared of losing length because you don't want to get rid of those split ends, then it's gonna do worse damage than better. It's just gonna keep splitting all the way up to your hair shaft and then cause breakage. So the next thing you need is a ponytail holder. Not just any ponytail holder, but one that's without the metal. You know, you have some of them with the little metals just to hold it together with the metal. The metal will pull on your hair, so just get the plain ones without the metal. Like I said, all these items that I'm showing you, you can get them at your local beauty supply store. Next is very important. I think I have like 3 of them, but this one is old, so it's like stretched out and so forth, but I'm just showing you guys. Satin bonnets are very important to put over your hair before you go to sleep, especially if you're sleeping on cotton pillowcases. Cotton dries out your hair, that causes breakage as well. You won't be retaining length. For me, I don't only do the satin bonnets. I also have a satin pillowcase. I have more than one. So yeah. So I have a satin pillowcase to sleep with my satin bonnet, just to make sure my hair is well protected. And the satin pillowcase does something for my face as well, because I have dry skin and the cotton pillowcase dries out my face, so satin does well. So next I have like satin scrunchies. I am not really big on scrunchies because I don't know, but you have people that love them and they use the cotton material scrunchies. No cotton. Satin prevents frizz. If you don't want your hair to be frizzy, use satin scrunchies You could get your satin scrunchies from the local beauty supply store, but I got mine from Shein. The Shein website, SHEIN. I'll probably write it down here. I have a video, like a Shein accessories haul with all these satin scrunchies and headbands as well. You have people that wear headbands a lot. If you're gonna get a headband, satin. Also, satin scarves. If you sleep with a scarf instead of bonnet, or if you're doing a hairstyle and you want to tie your hair with a scarf to keep down flyaways and frizz, satin. The only time I use cotton in my hair is when I wash my hair. I use a cotton t-shirt, you know, those huge t-shirts, to soak up the water out of my hair so my hair can dry faster. Like I said, cotton soaks up the products from your hair, cause breakage because now your hair is dry, brittle, cause frizz. So I use a cotton t-shirt to dry up the water, and that's only for 10 minutes. That's it. A lot of people use the microfiber cloth to dry their hair, but I use a cotton t-shirt. So now we're gonna get into products. Okay, so shampoo. You're gonna need a moisturizing shampoo and a shampoo with protein. Well, shampoo and conditioner. You're gonna need a moisturizing shampoo and conditioner, and then you're gonna need a protein shampoo and conditioner. So the reason for both is balance. Your hair needs balance. So what I do is this week I'll use moisturizing shampoo and conditioner. The next week I'll use protein shampoo and conditioner. So every other week I'll use moisturizing shampoo and conditioner, and then the weeks in between I'll use the protein shampoo and conditioner. So that's just to start out with. Then after a while you learn about clarifying shampoo and all those other stuff. This is an example of a moisturizing shampoo and conditioner. So I use the Aussie Miracle Moist shampoo and conditioner. Very moisturizing. I love these products. I get them from Target and they are very affordable. So you could try these out. It's the Aussie Miracle Moist with avocado and Australian jojoba oil. I have videos on these products. I have 2 videos using these products, so you can check those out. And for my protein shampoo and conditioner, I use the coconut milk shampoo and conditioner with coconut oil, coconut milk, and ultra whipped egg white proteins. It's by the brand OGX. If you want to try those products, you could find them at Target or your local beauty supply store. I would say Target because that's where I bought those shampoo and conditioner. So next, what you need is deep conditioner. Deep conditioner is very important. Deep conditioner or hair mask. Deep conditioning treatments are very good for your natural hair. It locks in moisture in your hair, keep your hair feeling moisturized and healthy. My favorite, this is not really a deep conditioner, but this thing, I have been using it for years. It's by ORS. It's called Olive Oil Strengthen and Nourish Replenishing Conditioner. This it's just a regular conditioner, but people use it for a deep conditioner. Oh my goodness, I love this. As you can see, it's empty. I love it so much, I don't want to throw this bottle away until I get a new one. But what I'll do is I'll use this and I'll mix it with some Jamaican black castor oil, or you know, some oil, olive oil or oils. So now I found another one that I love. This is my second favorite. Really love it. It's also from Aussie. It's a 3-minute Miracle Moist deep conditioner. This, I have a video on this as well with all information how it works for my hair, so you guys can go check that out. But if you want this, very affordable prices. You could get this at your local beauty supply store. I got this from Target. After you're done washing your hair and everything, next you'll need a leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioners are life. After washing your hair and everything and you want to detangle your hair again, leave-in conditioners are life. I just spray it on my hair comb my hair out with the wide tooth comb and do like some plaits just to give my hair stretch and make it moisturized for styling. And the reason why I like the liquid leave-in conditioners and not creamy leave-in conditioner is because I have low porosity hair, and I think the liquid works better with my hair than the cream. It all depends on your hair. You could see what your hair type is and choose in between the liquid or the creamy product. But my favorite is by Cream of Nature. It's the Argan Oil from Morocco Strength and Shine Leave-In Conditioner. You guys see me use this in almost all my videos. I love this. I have to get a new one very soon. So next you need is a moisturizer. It could be like a cream, like a smoothie, or whichever, but something to moisturize your hair so your hair don't get dry, brittle while you're styling your hair. Not everyone loves gel, so if you're not really into gels, you can use like a creamy product. Like right here I have from Shea Moisture the hibiscus and coconut smoothie, enhancing smoothie. That's good. It's not really my favorite because, like I said, products just sits on top of my hair because I have low porosity hair. This is cream as well. It's not liquid, it's creamy too, but it's not thick. But it makes my hair stay moisturized for days. And I've been using this since my relaxed hair days. So this is the ORS Olive Oil Moisturizing Hair Lotion. This is infused with castor oil and I love it so much. The Sunny Isle Jamaican Black Castor Oil, I use this a lot. As you can see, I use it on my scalp. Sometimes I mix it with the Wild Growth Oil for growth. I use oils for 3 things. For hair growth, just oiling it on my scalp. For dry scalp, and also to seal in the moisture. Like if I use a leave-in conditioner or the hair lotion, I use oil to seal in the hair moisturizer in my hair, so you know it lasts for days. And also I have the Wild Growth. It's 2 of them. One is a light oil moisturizer and the other one is just hair oil. I talk about these in a lot of my videos. They work really well for hair growth, so you can get these at your local beauty supply store. I use both. Like I'll use this one this day and then I'll use this one the next day. This one I mix it with the Jamaican Black Castor Oil. So I have a little Jamaican Black Castor Oil inside of it, and and you can even use this in your deep conditioning treatment because it's light. This one is more thick, so this one I use on my scalp. The next very important thing is a water bottle. It doesn't have to be this, it could be like the regular dollar spray bottle. For this hairstyle that I have now, instead of like applying a moisturizer to it or something to bring it back to life after I sleep on it or so forth, I just spray. I just use the mist and spray a little of the water, because as we know, water is the most important moisturizer for our hair. It's, you know, the best. So just spray a little of that and bring your hair back to life. So it's always good to have like a water bottle. Last but not least, it's important to have a plastic cap. You know, the caps to apply to your hair when you're doing your deep conditioning treatment. If you don't have these, you can use regular plastic bags. I've never tried it before because I know I'm not gonna be good with tying the bag on my hair. A lot of YouTubers use just a regular plastic bag. If you know how to use it, you can use that as well. But to have this is very good. This locks in the heat in your hair, make the deep conditioner just focus on your hair, soak into your hair, all the hair strand. This is very good to have. That's all you need to start out your natural hair journey. My advice to you is don't overthink it. Don't make it complicated for you. Just make it simple and easy for yourself. Find out what works best for your hair, what products work best for your hair, and just keep it simple and work from there. Not because you see all these products behind me on this shelf, that means I use all these products often on my hair. No, I have all these products because I was just trying out products to see what works best for my hair, and also companies sent me their products just to try out as well. So keyword, just to try. They're not in my everyday regimen for my natural hair. So don't pay attention to all of this that's behind me. No, I don't use all these products on my hair at the same time, no. And I have a routine for my hair, and the products that I show you just now is what I use often. Just take your time, get these items one by one. You don't have to go and just grab everything at the same time just to start out, you know. Just take your time, work yourself into this routine, and you'll get there. Don't rush it, just keep it simple, don't stress about it. And I just realized that I forgot one more thing. Gel. I use gel in my hair when I'm doing like a ponytail hairstyle. If I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail, or I use it for my edges. I don't have an edge control or edge gel special. I just use this for my edges. Well, for my hair, the edge controls flake my hair, and I don't really like that. A lot of people don't really like gels, but I use it, and the one that I use is the Eco Style Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Gel. This one is my favorite. I've tried the olive oil, I've tried the coconut, I've tried the regular, I've tried all of them, and I still have them. Even the extreme gel, all of them I tried, but this is my favorite. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Also, please make that thumbs up blue. Like this video, make it blue, that thumbs up. Comment down below, what product have you tried before that I showed you in this video? What works best for you? And we can all, like, you know, talk in the comment section to see, because everyone has different hair type, so we can all talk in the comment section to see what works for this person and what works for that person, so you know, we could all get an idea of what we're working with. Also, please remember to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for the support. I love you guys, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.